Then we did the evolution. And I want to believe that the evolution was also created out of also need to go higher.
Absolutely. I describe evolution as being the ability to go beyond what we consciously get impacted by. And that was the real purpose of evolution, to just move beyond that as fast as possible.
Which we did. And then again, your work, you cannot pin it down to certain KPIs. And then the evolution came. I was able actually to start identifying my goal, which is my identity, because your goals also contribute to who you are and your cause and your place in life. And this is where I started seeing and making decisions in my life that are shaping who I am now. Tangible results made by me, by myself. You helped me reach to that point where I can make a decision I could have not made 2 or 3 years before that.